Hi everyone, it's Alana here, and I'm just going to give you a short demo of the platform we'll be using for ATMO America this year. The platform will be available for everyone that is registered for the event, and you would receive an email that gives you all the details of how to log in. The platform has great features to network with other attendees, speakers and sponsors, as well as a host of information that you can use during the event and after. So let's get into it. You'll see the main page here. It shows you the navigation options at the top as well as down here, and then you can also scroll through our sponsors on the home page. The live button will show you immediately what is live, and you can click on it anytime during the event to go see what's happening. But you can also go through to the program. So this is nice that if you want to bookmark specific sessions that you can go back to later as well, or if you miss it, you can go there again. It'll be available on the platform even after the event. And then you can also go click on a specific session and find out more information about it. You'll find out what the event's about, when it's happening, who the speaker is. You can click on them to find out more about them even, and what's happening. You can click on the live discussion, which is going to be very important during the event. And you can ask some questions, chat with the other people in the event, and also maybe sometimes there might be a poll. So definitely keep your eye out on the live discussion section during any of the program highlights. If you go to the speaker section here, it'll show you the various speakers, and you can click onto their profile and show you who they are. You can set up a meeting with them, or you can contact them. If you go to the sponsors page, it shows you our various sponsors, and you can even set up a meeting or bookmark it. If you go to the actual pages, it'll show you a video about them. You can talk to them. It shows you more information about the company, their social media and contact details, products, a whole host of things. So definitely have a look there as well. If you go to products page, it shows you all the natural refrigerant specific products that are available. And you can bookmark these if you want to look at them later. You can search, refine your search in 4 different categories. Say we want to look at, let's do commercial refrigeration, for instance. And then you can further define it by different refrigerants. So if we go to hydrocarbons, then you'll see these are the options, or the products rather, that match my criteria. And if you go into the product, then it shows you more information about it, a URL about where to get it, and you can add it to your wish list. If you go to networking, the part everyone's always very interested in, step 1 is to make very certain that you filled in your information correctly, because then it will match you to people most likely interesting for you. And this is where you can really chat with other people. You can even do it before the event and say, I want to chat to Charlotte. Then you can talk to her, you can send her a meeting request. You can find out a whole lot of things, and the nice things, you can also export the contact for later. If you go to networking as well, you can filter it by, if you're looking for someone specifically, you can filter it by country as well. So if I wanted to speak to someone from Belgium, it's quite functional. So check that out. If you go to my event, it shows you all the things like your schedules, your meetings, everything you've bookmarked or saved for later. So this is a cool place to kind of keep all your information, and you can export it afterwards, which is also quite nice. And of course, help desk if there's any issues. So yeah, this was just a very quick overview of the platform, and we look forward to seeing you here next week. If you've got any questions, please reach us on LinkedIn, or you can send an email to info@atmo.org. But until then, we look forward to seeing you here next week.